In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello on Slack. This process is straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your team's workflow efficiency or simply want to streamline your project management tools, this integration is a great step forward. Let's get started and walk through this integration together. First things first. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack website. Once there, you'll notice the Sign In button located conveniently at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already familiar with the platform, you might know that signing in via Google is a quick option, so select Google for a seamless login experience. After clicking Google, sign in using your Google account credentials. This method conveniently ties your Slack login to your Google account, saving you from remembering yet another password. With Google Smart Lock, your login experience on Slack will be smooth and secure. Having logged in successfully, let's navigate to the left panel on your Slack interface. You'll see 3 dots. This is your gateway to more options within Slack. Click on these 3 dots to open the extended menu. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on Automations. Automations in Slack serve as a fantastic tool for creating efficient work processes without having to write a single line of code. By being aware of this feature, you're already on your way to mastering Slack's broad capabilities. With automations in the spotlight, move your attention to the Apps option that is visible in this section. This is where all app integrations, like Trello, live. Once you click on Apps, a search bar will appear in front of you. Here, type in Trello. This search will pull up Trello from among the myriad of apps available for integration on Slack. Once Trello appears in your search results, go ahead and click on it. You're almost there. The next window will present you with the option to Add to Slack. Clicking this button will initiate the integration of Trello into your Slack workspace. This step is crucial as it marks the beginning of synchronizing your project management tool with your communication platform. Finally, once you've hit the Add to Slack button, you will need to follow through with the permission authorization. This process simply requires you to authorize Trello to interact with your Slack account, allowing both platforms to communicate effectively. During this last step, you'll also need to log into Trello if you're not already signed in. Just like that, you're done. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Integrating Trello into your Slack workspace empowers your team to manage tasks and projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy productivity.